Remote Opshops are providing essential items for our outback communities. The most recent opening in Bailoo, 10 kilometres south of Fitzroy Crossing. The store helping residents still recovering from the devastating 2023 floods.
A car boot filled to the brim, donations from across the country reaching a small Kimberley community.
At first, they was kept asking, when are your Opshop is going to open? When are your Opshop is going to open?
Darlene approaching Remote Opshop in July. The mother of three and her neighbours still recovering from the 2023 Fitzroy Crossing floods.
Houses were destroyed by the flood. They needed clothing. Not just clothing, but they needed stuff for their house, like sheets, blankets, towels.
There's such a lack of access to affordable clothing and household goods in remote Australia.
Founded in 2016, Remote Opshop connects rural communities to the rest of Australia through social media. The organisation supports 25 stores across the country and has a Facebook page with 45,000 donors.
And these 40,000 women across the country pack 5 kilo Australia Post bags and send them directly out to women on the little mail plane.
All money raised going back into the community.
Because because it's under the football club that I'm doing. I'd like to buy new uniform, like new jerseys for the new season. And there's been a lot of helpful people donating me books, exercise books, pens, pencils.
What we've witnessed from our time in remote communities is just this extreme lack of basic necessities.
Charlotte Italiano, 7 News.